your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Delta Faucet 9 Spray Slide Bar Handheld Shower with Hose and Oil Rub Bronze is a versatile and stylish option for those looking to upgrade their shower experience. This handheld showerhead comes with a slide bar that can be adjusted to different heights, making it a great option for people of all ages and heights. The oil rubbed bronze finish is a classic choice for bathroom fixtures, and the Venetian Bronze 51900 RB adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom. The finish is also resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring that the shower head will last for years to come. One of the key features is the 9 different spray options. This includes a full body spray, a fast massage spray, a full spray with massage, a drenching spray, a soft drench with full spray, a shampoo rinsing spray, a soft full spray, a pause mode, and a water-efficient spray. With so many options, it's easy to customize your shower experience to your preferences. It is easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, such as the lower back or feet. This can be particularly useful for those with mobility issues, or who need extra assistance in the shower. Additionally, the hose is 60 inches long, providing plenty of flexibility and reach. Installation is straightforward and can be done without the need for a professional plumber. The shower head comes with a mounting bracket and screws for attaching the slide bar to the wall. Once the slide bar is securely mounted, the shower head can be easily attached and detached as needed. This is also WaterSense certified, meaning that it meets strict water efficiency standards set by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. This can help to reduce water usage and lower your utility bills without sacrificing performance. Overall, this handheld shower is a great choice for those looking to upgrade their shower experience. With its stylish finish, versatile spray options, and easy installation, this showerhead is a great investment for any bathroom.